How about this super fluffy orange cake that you make in the blender? You blend the orange with the peel and everything. It's my husband's favorite cake. First, we start by cutting the orange into 4 parts. It's important to remove this white part here in the middle of the orange, okay? Otherwise, it will taste bitter. You have to remove this part and all the seeds. Then you leave it nice and clean like this and cut it in half again. The pieces will look like this, see? We put it in the blender, add 3 eggs, 200 ml of oil, soybean oil or another vegetable oil, and 1¼ cups of sugar. And blend it well until there are no more big pieces of peel left, okay? After that, we add 1¼ cups of flour, blend to mix, then add a tablespoon of baking powder and pour it into the pan. Mine has a non-stick spray, but you can grease and flour yours. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. The fluffiness and aroma of this cake are indescribable. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I'll stay here enjoying the rain.